Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner. You will see three dots arranged vertically. Click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Settings. After the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In this menu, find and click on the option labeled Privacy, Search and Services. Once you are in the Privacy, Search and Services section, scroll down until you see a section called Search and Connected Experiences. Click on this option. Here, you will see an option that says Address Bar and Search. Click on this. This will open a page where you can control which search engine is used when you type in the address bar. At the top of this page, you will see a setting labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Google from the list of available search engines. You will also see options to use Google for the search box and the address bar. Once you have made these selections, your default search engine in Edge will be changed to Google. To check that everything is working, open a new tab. Then type a search query into the address bar or the search box. When you press Enter, the results should now come from Google. Thanks for watching.